everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your Snapchat account's password. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. You can easily change your Snapchat account's password with just a few simple steps. Tap open your Snapchat application and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner and then tap on the settings button at the upper right corner from your profile page. From this page, under My Account, you'll be able to see a password option right below the email option. Give it a tap and on the next page, you'll be able to set a new password for your account. To set a new password, you'll need to first enter your current password for your Snapchat account. In case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions. Once you've entered your password, tap on Continue, and soon after you do that, you'll end up in the next page where you can enter your new password and confirm the password by typing it again in order to change it. Go ahead and type in a new password you want to change to. Make sure your password includes the combination of lowercases and uppercases letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you type in your password, go ahead and confirm the password by typing it again. Make sure both of the passwords match, and as soon as it does, you'll be able to see a Save option appearing at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Save and you'll be able to change your password just like that. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.